If you guys like the Dollar Tree and DIY crafting, you have found the right video. So let's get to crafting. So the first DIY I am making is an ornament wreath. So I found a similar wreath at Pier 1 going for $66 and I paid $10. So what you're going to need is a wire wreath. You're going to need a ton of ornaments. It took me about 6 tubes of Dollar Tree ornaments until I had enough. And you're going to need some hot glue, and it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is hot glue your ornaments straight to your wire form wreath. And get your kids involved too, because I was able to teach Scarlett, my daughter, about patterns. So I would tell her what color to give me, and then I would have her finish the pattern sequence. So definitely get your kids involved with something like this. Scarlett, can I have a red without sparkles, please?
Okay, a top one.
Thank you. And this is the final product, you guys. 10 bucks. 10 bucks. I'm still shocked at this. So this next piece was inspired by wood signs from Kirkland's, and I did not want to pay the $40 price tag. So I went to Home Depot and I got some scrap wood, which is free, you guys. So I got free scrap wood from Home Depot and I just sanded it down. The Dollar Tree does sell little sander sponges. And make sure you sand the edges off really well so you don't get any splinters. And then I've had this can of wood stain. It's lasted me quite a few DIYs, so I just stained the wood and then I let it dry overnight, and that's all it took, is just to dry overnight. And then I went to Michael's and I got the letters to spell out believe. And you know, you can do it a few different ways. You could even nail this down if you wanted to, but I just went with hot glue. So I got the letters from Michael's. They were 79 cents each, so pretty inexpensive, and the wood was free. And I made my own Farmhouse Believe sign, and I put it right next to a Yankee candle. And then I also got a few other wood blocks, and I decided to go ahead and make some picture frames out of them. So I went ahead and sanded the wood down, and then I also used the same wood stain, and then I found these 4x6 galvanized tin sheets. So I went ahead and just hot glue gunned. I put a lot of hot glue on the back of this. And then I just went ahead and stuck it straight onto the wood slab. And you guys want to get to Home Depot on Friday nights. The guy at Home Depot said Friday nights are the best selection. And then I just glued down a ornament that says Merry Christmas. This came with a pack of 6 from the Dollar Tree. And then I just took our Christmas card photo from last year and I just hot glue gunned it right here. And I absolutely love how this turned out. And it's a way to remember our Christmas cards of the past, which I love looking back on. Okay, so I'm going to utilize these wire form wreaths again. So these small ones come in a 2-pack, and then I picked up the letters J and Y. I'm going to use the rest of my ornaments from my big wreath and a ton of hot glue, you guys. So I am just going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did with the big wreath, and I'm just going to hot glue gun these ornaments straight to the wire form. So I'm going for a silver and gold, and red is one of my absolute favorite colors, so I'm going to be popping in some red ornaments as well. So don't be rushed when you're doing stuff like this, because you really need to take crafting as a way to de-stress, and you definitely don't want to be rushed when you are doing these crafts. It's meant to be relaxing. So yeah, I'm just hot glue gunning everything and making a circle formation, and this turned out so pretty, you guys. And I just put this in our bookshelf and I spelt out the word joy. So the O is the wreath. So I'm going to go ahead and make another one, and I loved these pine cone florals from the Dollar Tree. And I used all of the floral part, the leaf part of this floral stem. I utilized all the leaves as well. Don't throw away the leaves on your florals, you guys, because they make for great fillers for your wreaths. So I like to go ahead and take all of the pine cones and berries off of the stems, and I just put it in a big pile, and I will just work my way with a huge pile. Okay, you guys, so for this one, go ahead and hot glue gun the leaves and the pine cones and the berries. Just glue them down however you want to. So there's not a right or wrong way to make a Christmas wreath, you guys. You can do whatever you want. And I absolutely love the Pinecone florals from the Dollar Tree. I thought that they were so high quality, and these pine cones really do fill the wire wreath form very well. So I'm just taking my time doing alternating with leaves and berries and pine cones. And yeah, I'm just taking my time on this.
Love yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
So I went ahead and spelled out joy again, and then I also spelled out the word Noel, and I thought that this was so pretty and elegant. Okay, so for this last wreath, just use whatever florals that you want, and then get a few ornaments. So I got some elf feet and the red Christmas truck, and then I also got some Christmas lights. And then you also want a wreath form, and then also get some of these paint sticks from, oh, there's a cute baby, and get some paint sticks from Home Depot. A pack of 10 was like 90 cents, you guys, and you're going to need a ton of hot glue, And then what you want to do is just glue your florals to your wreath, same as last time. You know the trend here with me, and I love these berries because they really do cover a lot of the surface of the wreath. And then just fill all of these sparse areas with greens and leaves. And what I love about this wreath is you can customize it and put whatever ornament that you want. So it just depends on what ornament you're feeling, and it sticks really well to the paint stick. That's why I suggest you guys pick them up. So I went with the red truck ornament. I thought it was so cute with this. And then I added a little bit more pops of red because I was really trying to fill the surface of the wreath and try to make sure there weren't any big gaps and spaces. So I just utilized basically all the florals that I had left and just hot glue gunned everything. And I think the final product turned out so cute. So let me know what you guys think.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it, so don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye!